Is the ordered pair 4, -1 a solution of 4x minus 7y equals 9? To determine if an ordered pair is a solution of an equation in two variables, we substitute that ordered pair into the equation and determine if a true statement results. Our x-coordinate is 4 and our y-coordinate is -1, so we'll substitute 4 for x and -1 for y in the given equation. We have 4 times 4 minus 7 times -1, and we're checking to see if that is equal to 9. On the left side, when we multiply, we have 16 plus 7, and on the right side, we still have 9. Adding on the left side, 16 plus 7 is 23, and so the equation becomes 23 equals 9. 23 does not equal 9. This is a false statement, and therefore, the ordered pair 4, -1 is not a solution of the equation 4x minus 7y equals 9.